I know that these past 7 weeks have been challenging for many parents who are trying to find inventive ways to help their children with their learning. Trust me, I know I found it a challenge. Through the support of teachers and Hub, we've provided more and more resources and guidance with the current circumstances in mind. Some of you may be wondering what support is out there if your child goes to a Welsh medium school or is learning Welsh in an English or bilingual school and for whom Welsh isn't spoken much at home. As part of our Stay Safe, Stay Learning programme, these resources and guidance will enable learners who live in households where Welsh is not spoken to find ways to maintain and extend their use of the language and to keep on learning. You can also help your children by encouraging them to engage in activities such as listening to Welsh language music, watching Welsh television and downloading apps. Bilingual support and guidance is available right across these great resources, and you might find that it's a great way to learn alongside your child. So please, click on the link above to see the vast range of resources available to you. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.